Hello, this is Jordan White, and this is my video quiz over chapters 11 through 12. Chapters 11 and 12 mainly talk about the use of persuasion in your speech and also the service learning here at Austin Peay. So first I'll talk about chapter 11. Chapter 11 is exclusively about persuasion. Persuasion is where we try to persuade the listener to how we want them to think about the topic. So there's three main ways that a speaker can get to the listener. And this is the ethos, pathos, and logos. So ethos is the appeal to ethics. The appeal to ethics is where we speak to the person's ethics. That's something that we know they believe or whatever. And so that way that they'll say, hey, this is ethically how I should believe. And so you try and persuade them that way. Pathos is the appeal to the emotions. And so this is where we try, like, say for example, if you're trying to get people to quit polluting or whatever, you're going to show, for example, you could show like a visual aid of like a baby suffering from oxygen problems because of the oxygen that's happening from global warming, which is a result of pollution. That'd be an effective visual aid, and so would be the use of pathos. Then logos would be the appeal to logic. Appeal to logic is just simply where we appeal and people logically think about it, make decisions how they think. And so also chapter 11 talks a lot about like the different ways we can organize our speeches whenever we do this, when we do persuasive speech, and those are just simply the ways that we can effectively deliver our message to our audience in like an effective manner, and so that'll get the point across. So chapter 12 talks about the service learning system. The service learning system just allows us to explore the impact of nonprofit organizations. It does not require that many hours outside of, it requires some hours, but not a whole extra lot. It allows us to be able to just see how nonprofit organizations go and allow us to be able to do speeches and researches over them. And overall, chapter 12 is pretty short, and that's all it really talked about. Just talks about how beneficial the service learning system course could be for you if you want to do something in communications that allows you to be able to practice more. So overall, chapters 11 really taught me a lot about how to use persuasion in my speech, and I think it'll be able to help me good. And then the service learning system, not really sure if it's something to look into, but it's a good alternative for people or a good addition to people that are interested in doing communication speech or doing communication as a major. So yeah, thank you guys.